In this video, I wanted to look in a little bit more detail at our new two-volume collection, Achieving Sustainable Cultivation of Oil Palm, which is edited by Professor Alain Rival of Sierra in France. Volume 1 is on breeding and cultivation, whilst Volume 2 covers diseases, pests, quality and sustainability. In this video, I wanted to look in a little bit more detail at Volume 1, which has the following three parts. Part 1 introduces key issues facing oil palm production. Part 2 discusses physiology and breeding, whilst the third part reviews advances in cultivation techniques. To give you a flavour of the volume, I wanted to pick out a couple of chapters to illustrate the range of material it contains. From Part 2, I picked Chapter 5 on advances in understanding oil palm reproductive development. Chapter 5 describes the wealth of recent research on the impact of sex ratio, inflorescence, and flower development on oil palm yields. It also describes what we now know about the processes of fruit development and shedding, as well as oil acidification, and how these insights can contribute to more sustainable cultivation. The second chapter I've picked is Chapter 12 from Part 3, which focuses on maintaining soil health in oil palm cultivation. In tropical forest soils used for oil palm cultivation, the topsoil is where the fertility really lies. And research shows that the properties of this topsoil change rapidly in the first 4 years after felling, evolving towards a new and more stable chemical state. This chapter considers the key issues and challenges in maintaining this productive state of soil health. It reviews the effects of management practices on soil biological activity and considers the potential benefits of biomass recycling. Well, I'd like to conclude, if I may, by quoting M.R. Chandran, advisor and former vice president of the Round Table on Sustainable Palm Oil, RSPO. And he said about both these books, "This collection aims to be as comprehensive as possible in coverage, and therefore should be essential reading not only for planters and researchers, but also for those involved with international agencies, government institutions, academia and non-profit organisations." Well, we very much hope both these volumes will oil the cogs of your own research.